Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Sysprep can fail on Windows 10 for several common configuration reasons. Custom modern apps and leftover provisioning packages often block generalize. Pending Windows updates or deferred restarts can prevent Sysprep from completing. User profiles and start menu customizations sometimes leave persistent state behind. Unattend. XML errors or illegal OEM entries also stop Sysprep from running. Always inspect the Panther logs to identify which step caused failure. Prepare the machine by reverting temporary changes before attempting Sysprep again. Start with system repair commands to rule out corruption and pending actions. Open an elevated PowerShell and run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair the image. After dism completes, run sfc/scano and reboot if it reports fixes. Remove leftover provisioning packages and AppX user packages via PowerShell. Remove apps package commands for non-essential apps. Delete C/system32/Sysprep/Panther log files to clear old errors. Then run Sysprep with exact switches. Sysprep/generalize/oob/shutdown/quiet from an elevated command prompt. When Sysprep fails, consult the two main logs in the Panther folder for clues. Open setupact, log and setupair. Log to find the exact component and error code. If the logs show AppX or store package issues, remove those packages for all users and rerun Sysprep. If a pending update blocks Sysprep, complete the update and reboot before retrying. For persistent or unknown errors, perform a clean Windows install and validate Sysprep success before capturing an image. Always test the final image in a virtual machine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.